Hi, my name is Michaelin, and today we will be simplifying equations. So the equation that I was assigned was 2x raised to the fourth and y raised to the negative third power, in parentheses, all raised to the negative 1 power. And now your first step here is going to be distribute the negative 1 power. And here we will use the negative rule of exponents. So you'll get, 2 raised to the negative 1, and then x raised to the negative fourth, y raised to the third will equal 2 raised to the negative 1 power is 1 over 2. And then that will also be raised to the negative 1 times 1 to the over x to the fourth times y to the third over 1. Because distributing the negative 1 will make it a fraction. Now, what you will do is you will combine your equation. So right here, you do the 1 times 1 times y to the third is going to be your numerator. And your denominator on the bottom is going to be 2 by x to the fourth by 1. And your next step is going to be to combine your like terms on the numerator and the denominator. For the top, you're going to get y to the third power. And I know that it says 1 by 1, but you do not need to write the ones because 1 is a placeholder and it kind of just is not necessary. If you want, you can write the 1, but it's easier and just more coherent if you just do y to the negative third, because that's really that's as far simplified as you can go. And for the denominator, you're going to multiply 2 by x raised to the fourth. And then you're going to get 2 x raised to the negative fourth. And that's going to be a fraction, and so your full and final simplified version is going to be y raised to the third power all over 2x raised to the fourth power. And that is my example of how to simplify solutions. Thank you.